Hello everyone and welcome to AVARigs. Today we're going to be covering this silent but deadly PC built here in-house by us in this P600S case. This system is built with silence and performance in mind. So why don't we get into it a little bit. Alright, so earlier in the introduction I mentioned that this PC was built with silence in mind, and you can tell here from the sound dampening material in the side panel that that is indeed the case. Now, as you can see, this system is no slouch. It's got an EVGA CLC cooler cooling this 3950X, which is sitting inside of this wonderful ASROCK X570 Taichi board. Now, this board itself is no slouch as well. It's packed full of features and it's reliable. It's built with longevity in mind, as well as giving you the feature set you need for your day-to-day use. In addition to the feature-packed motherboard and the ultra-powerful CPU, this thing is also powered by a SEAGATE FireCuda PCI Express 4.0 NVMe drive, delivering blazing speeds of up to 5,000 megabits per second. Now, that in and of itself is going to be more than enough for your day-to-day use with loading your OS on there and running all your software off of it. You will never, ever see a faster drive in a system than you will this one. Now, the system is also powered by a 1000 watt Seasonic power supply. Now, Seasonic is known for their extreme reliability and their longevity as well, and that's the kind of the common theme with this system, is that it's going to be reliable and it's going to last you a while. This system also has a set of 64 gigs of G.Skill Trident Z Neo memory clocked at 3600 megahertz, which is also going to be extremely fast and is going to be exceptional in games, but not only that, is going to be very, very good in rendering tasks such as After Effects and Cinema 4D and anything that really uses high memory amounts as well. This workstation is excellent in gaming, as the 5700 XT will perform in pretty much anything you need at 1440p and 1080p, and as well as 4K. But judging by the components that were installed, it seems to be more so catered towards workstation uses, as this 3950X also has 16 cores, and the amount of memory installed in the system is also going to allow it to excel in a lot of workstation related tasks. That being said, it is no slouch in games. This thing is going to perform admirably. The 5700 XT is comparable to a 2060 Super in terms of performance in most cases, so you're definitely not going to be losing out on that front. Alright everyone, and that's going to do it for this episode of AVARigs. Be sure to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for the latest updates pertaining to AVADirect and AVADirect's videos, and be sure to leave a like and comment as well, and any feedback that you may have. Anywho, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com